were looking for a place that was close to us and well, accessible not just in location but also in thoughts to what our point of view was. And when we came to Prakriti for our daughter Noor, she loved the free-flowing nature of the school.
For me, the very important part of why we chose Prakriti is because the school really lets our children be themselves. They are enjoyed and celebrated for who they are.
Prakriti was founded with the conviction of discovering my own inner Swabhav, my own Prakriti. What is my Prakriti? I am no different from you. We are all the same. Growing each year, I see Prakriti expanding into a community of Buddha's sons and daughters that is learning, reflecting, unlearning, finding its own root within, balancing themselves within their own inner Swabhav. Kindness towards others, not only in action, but in mind and speech too. Listening more to others, seeking their perspectives, keeping well-being of my own self and everyone around me as a pivotal point. In all our daily transactions, seeing all this warms my heart.
Hello, my name is Trupchan and I study in grade 6. The name of my group is Luminosity. Why is my group's name Luminosity? So in Prakriti, we get to choose what name do you want our group to be. So I choose Luminosity. Some other people choose Punctuality, Generosity. So in Prakriti, we get to choose what we want to be this. So the subject which I look up to the most are MCT and drawing, because in that I can be whoever I want and I can do whatever I want. In drawing, I can draw anything. If I want to draw a hippo, I can draw that. If I want to draw a world without corona, I can draw that. So Prakriti gives us the freedom to do anything. And like the subjects, MCT, art, they make who I am. So it's the thing I love the most about Prakriti. They let me be who I am.
Is the most important link in the chain of a learner's evolution. Children's emotional connect with their facilitators is the fountainhead of all learning. So what does it mean to be a facilitator at Prakriti? Facilitators at Prakriti, first and foremost, ensure the emotional well-being of their children by not being authority figures, but didis and bhaiyas that their children love, play with, and pour themselves out to. Facilitators know their children deeply and have a strong connect with families. They ensure that they support children through their ups and downs and be a true participant in this journey of the children's growth.
We differentiate between education and learning at Prakriti. In our constructivist ways, education is what you do to others, while learning is what you make or better still construct for yourself. Our role is that of an enabler. We facilitate and enable our learners to ask questions that are relevant and from their own context, here and now. By being purposeful and being mindful, this paves the way for learning for happiness. Our affiliation with Cambridge International exactly provides us this flexibility while staying in a local context as well. And this aligns very, very well with our view of learning.
I would really, compliment Prakriti and Prakriti pedagogy, environment, and Didis and Bhaiya, who really actually put in an effort to bring in this sort of a habit to do continuous research. We all, as a child, I remember and I recall when I was in my early childhood years, research used to be something very well connected to a scientist. So when you are getting into a research, people say that, oh, you want to become a scientist. But now what Prakriti is doing, they are not making scientists, but they are not doing anything less than a scientist also. So this environment itself is a place to experiment, to innovate, think out of the box. Children, they don't have books, but they learn a lot. I think these kids, They have made their future very bright under the helm of Prakriti, under the shelters of Prakriti.
Prakriti is growing with the new campus and with international affiliation. As founders, we are committed to not make it a number story, but a quality story. Individualized learning, interdisciplinary methods, as well as social emotional education are extremely critical to us. When facilitators are in tune with the learner's skills, interests, learning styles, proclivities, they would guide the families to create learning pathways that truly nurture the child to its best potential.